Right, another unboxing, and as you can see, Steve, not so creased today. Still haven't ironed it though. It's one of the benefits of being fat. You don't have to iron stuff because it stretches out. See if I can get into this. Hope you guys are okay, doing well. I can't remember which one this is. I've had two come today, so there'll be another unboxing in the next video in about 5-10 minutes as soon as I've done this. So. Alright, let's have a look. Nicely packaged. What's this? Oh right, okay. This is a replacement because I was playing my Glenn Miller records the other day, and my one record, unfortunately, it got a crack in it, I didn't realise. So, nothing special. It's a Glenn Miller record, and it's called Perfidia. And I'll just look. Oh, I like the case. Let's see what state it's in. Good condition. It's the one I love on one side, and then on the flip side is a Perfidia. So what I'm going to do, I'll fire up the radiogram, I'll put it on. Let's see if I can drop the camera. So, as you can see, I didn't bother putting the RGD at the end. It's too much. Right. Oh, that's not too bad. Put some light on. That's a bit better. Right. The other side is the one I love.
Somebody else. She means a tender song for somebody else. And even when I have my arms around her, I know her cries are strong for somebody else. The hands I hold belong to somebody else. I'll bet they're not so cold to somebody else. It's tough to be alone on the shelf. It's worth to fall in love by yourself. The one I love belongs to somebody else.
I hope you enjoyed it. It's not one of my favourites, but it's okay.